Meaning of eclectic.
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 Eclectic. The term eclectic refers to the practice of selecting and utilizing ideas, styles, or techniques from a variety of sources. An eclectic person or approach is characterized by a broad range of interests or widely varied tastes. This approach can result in a unique and diverse combination of elements that may not have otherwise been connected, leading to a fresh and innovative perspective. It emphasizes the value of diversity and the need for an open-minded mindset to gain knowledge and inspiration from different sources.